Okay, when we complete Laravel permission store already package, yes, I install completely. So we go to app.json. Yeah, this is bad Laravel permission that I install from the package. Yeah, but if we use the Laravel 5.4 or another letters, we don't include the spec type because Laravel 5.5, 5.6 automatic into provider. So in the notch we copy. So I want to copy from the publish, go to command, press enter, and the list number we find spec type permission provider number 6. So I press number 6. Okay, we complete. So we go to config, yeah, permission.php file. So here, so we close the file, and after we go to migration, yeah, migration permission table. Okay, and the notch, yeah, I create the connection already. If we yes my connection into database, and my database that I install Laravel permission. Yes, so I copy migrate. Yes, copy migrate. I show you already if we use the Laravel 5.5, 5.4. This is the other specific key. So we go to the app provider, but for me I configure already. You can find the internet. Yeah, I run. PHP artisan again. Okay, so I run success. So we go to and then the bank clicks the okay, model have permission, model has row, permission, row have permission user. Okay, when we migrate already, so we go to yeah, this is that I want to show you. We escape from the other keys. So in the table I show you already, we have the migration, user password reset permission, row have permission, user has row. So pivot table and user has permission that we show here. And then for me I configure already text. So you copy if we yes when we use like this we want to the config file. This is the config. Yes, we have it already. So I want to skip. And the user, yes, we copy. So we go to user model, yeah, else, and user model we pass here. So we pass here and we import, but for me, I put already. And we include the protected guard name vets. Okay, and this is specifier h0, and we configure the user model already. Yes, you don't forget to install the HTML collectives. Yes, Laravel collective HTML. Yes, but so we copy and go choose and pass to press enter. But for me, I complete already. Yes, I complete already Laravel collectives. So I want to escape and then provide the but in the Laravel 5.6 this lesson, yeah, automatically, so we don't include, and I want to skip. And then we want to create two row. Yes, because we want to create row and we want to add row and permission. So I copy here. Yeah, we go to routes, create row permission. So I pass in the header, we copy here. Yes, but the lesson we use with the admin, administer, and permission. Administer, and I want to change because I create a role for the admin. Yes, and permission. Okay, we refresh and admin role and permission because this admin uh, can manage role permission to user. So the next, yeah, everyone to get the user permission we use it like this. Yeah, we escape and everyone to get the role user we can use it like this. And right now I want to assign the role to the user, so I copy here. For example, assign role to the user, so we copy. Before we assign role to user, we go to else. Here we go to browser, and before we assign a role, because I to assign with the login user, okay, admins. Okay, for now we log in already and we get the session from the login. So I assign user role, version, auth, user. Okay, we use like this, and then we assign permission. So we give permission. So I copy. We go this and permission. yeah, permission to user, yeah, allow us to give permission to user auto. So we import administrator administer, yeah, we copy here. Okay, when we assign already with the permission and role, I fresh in we copy URL here. So we use and type the URL that we want to assign user roles. Okay, I base. So we close code here because we assign to admin already. Yeah, we refresh database and once happen occur. Okay, this is admin user and role admin and this is the user and model have permission user. So in the has permission assigned role, we go to else and we click the role admin, yes, and permission administrator. Okay, we assign. Okay, when we assign admin role already, we go to again. We can, yeah, you can read the documentation if we want to use add role, admin role, or right. Mean that's so here. So I show you in the next time detail. So we want to escape. We can edit pause. Okay, we make odds already. So we create the pause controller. Okay, we and this lesson with the authentication view, we create pause controller, user controller, role controller, and permission controller. Okay, we need skills and in the user, yeah, we go to, yeah, register controller.php, we go to register and we want to refresh bcrypt here. Okay, save already, I close and now we copy here, go to user model again and we pass here because we want to generate passwords automatic bcrypt. Yeah, this would provide the same functionality as before. In register controller.php, we change right away to here to. So we go to and register, we change already. Yeah. So in the notch, and register or login the controller, we just change right away to with the same. Okay, login controller and change home from home to slash baseline. Okay, we create already. Yes, in resource view layout dot plan dot php we want to change. So we can change it like this. So yes, we escape from here. We escape because I changed the admin panel into admin LTE. So we want to skip. Yeah, so in the error we use the billet. So I skip here, or you can copy the view error list.blend.php. So we create error form. So we create file and pass. So and list.php. Okay, when we create the already and with the style.cf we copy here and go to cf and style we create here. Okay, when we create style already, we want to call the style, go to s and .blend.php, and we want to include cf here. There we change to the style sheet. Okay, cf slash style.cf. When include the styles already, we go to page again and post controller. So we create the post controller. So I copy and I clear. Okay, press enter. I create successfully. So we go to the post model and the best migration post. Okay, when we create the already like this, and the post migration we copy here. So I copy in the box. So we go to the box and I replace here. Plus and the nudge. So we want to run migration again to create post table. Okay, post table, press enter. And right now we refresh the database. Okay, post created already. When the post creates and the model post.php, we as and the post will refresh here. Okay, and now let's generate our resource controller. We copy, go to, and I press enter. We create a controller post controller. This we create our controller with all the stub methods needed this file to load. So in app http controller post controller we copy code here. Okay, go to entity page and pause. We want to replace code, delete all and replace here. Okay, save. Yeah. And when we create the pause already with the results, and right now we copy, here. So I copy, we go choose routes, web.blend.php. We go to route and pass. Okay, we pass. So we go choose. Yeah, we don't change and they change already. So in post view, so in the view we want to create the only your view we need our post controller create the file resource, yeah, read documentation. So we go to resource view, we create folder post. Okay, in the post we create file in .blend.php. So we copy pass here. So we save and then we create .blend.php file in post. Okay, save and then I copy here. So we copy and replace, save. Okay, and so view look like this. So in view look like this, we copies and post, create file and save. So .blend.php. So the next, yeah, here we can see the can delete post or edit post. When we create already, here can try to check if user has permission for edit. So edit post we copy right place and create path file. So edit dot blend. Okay, if visit the home page would usually like this by PVV escape, and right now we create user controller. So we copy and go choose create user resource. Okay, when we create user resource already in user controller, we copy. I will copy. Okay, we copy all and go to HTTP user controller. We refresh our file. Okay. Okay, and now we want to close. So underneath here user has role, you can read code by yourself. Yes, and you user views. So user view result view, we create the view user and we create a folder user, and right now we create in touch.blend.php. So we copy code here and save. So we create the file view user, we copy, create blend.php. So we copy, then user pass here and create the edit user, we copy edit blend.php. So I copy, edit permission controller. So we create permission controller. Permission controller, we copy here. Okay, we create already, and I copy here. So we go to HTTP permission and replace our file, delete and pass here. So permission view, we create permission. Okay, we copy and we go to create view folder. So we copy our file and pass, save, and then create view file permission and create. So we copy into permission, save, and right click, we create edit permission. So we copy here. Okay, and rule controller. So we create the rule controller. Okay, when we create the rule controller already, we copy all code. I copy. Go to and rule handler. We delete or and pass again. Okay, in view controller we copy. Yeah, rule we create view rule folder directory and touch. I copy code. Yeah, so in we create rule folder row and pass cell in touch. And create view, we create view row, copy and pass. Yes, create. Okay, edit row, we copy. Edit.let. And right now we create the middleware. Okay, right now we create admin middleware, we copy and we create middleware merge middleware I pass. Okay, right now we copy our code. Copy code and go http middleware admin middleware. Yeah, we pass code here admin middleware. Okay, and we save, and then we create middleware clearance. So we copy here. The same, and we create the clearance. So we copy code. Yeah, in middleware we pass here. Pass code here. Okay, close. And we create admin middleware class and clearance middleware class. We want to add to the route middleware app http connect.php. So we copy code here. So we go to connect. Yes, and pass code here. Okay, when creates already in both middleware error is 401 refer to the about 401. So we copy. Yes, right click and pass seal 401.blend.php. When the script error and redirect to page access denied. Okay, when we create already this is the demo interface. Okay, right now we want to refresh. Okay, when we refresh, so we call the manage role, manage permission, manage user, and yes. So we go to permission, So we go to apps and app.php. We go to the file menu. We want to call yes menu rows. So menu row we call like this. Routes row dots in touch. Yes, so we refresh and click row. Okay, right now we can edit many rows. So we click the edit. So I click to space. User and jQuery bootstrap not found. So we go to app again. Okay, in app.jQuery. We refresh. So the image not found. So we go to find the image here. User. Yeah, we refresh. And so on. There is so we could use okay, we refresh. Okay, image show here. So we call the menu. So scroll down and we call the menu row or manage permission just in touch and user routes user dot in touch. Okay, create as okay, we refresh again and we clear the user create as. And then we create the user here and user list or we can edit. Yes, so right now the user cannot create refer to the middleware application. So we go to HTTP and appearance refer to the create post if the user is have permission, administer role and permission, so return nudge here. But the admin can create post, edit post, delete post. Okay, so we go to, for example, okay, and the create post, so we nudge post dot create browse post dot in touch. So we refresh and I click the create post. So admin can create post. For example, we want to copy the title here. Yeah, title. Yes, so we create. Okay, admin can. So right now we create manage permission. For example, yeah, uh, refer to the appearance. We create post, edit post, and delete post. So we create post, edit post, delete post. So we register to the admin post. So we click manage role and edit. So admin can create post, edit post, and delete post. Okay, so we go to user and admin. I want to add that yes. So admin can create post. Then we click the user. I want to assign the user. For example, with the post right and so we manage role. Okay, manage role. So right now we create a role. For example, create or writer. They can create post and one more. Or editor. We click the editor. So we assign a role like this. Here with the user. For example, we assign the user with write post. So we input the password user. Okay, right now we log out. Yeah, and user. Yeah, okay, when we create or update the user, for example, mean that the password change. So we go to the code, uh, user, and edit. We go to the file edit password. Yes, so we don't include here. Yes, so we edit again and write user1. So we want to log out and user1. Okay, user1. Yes, so the problem with the user1, so I go to the admin. So I create the user, for example, user2, and can writer. So we log out and log in with the user2. So user2 can create boss. So we create the user. This user2 cannot create user. Yes. And cannot edit. So we create with the user edit. We log out to admin. And create user 3. Now editor can edit boss. Okay, user role edit, and right now we sign out and login with editor. So cannot create boss, but click the boss and click can edit boss. If we want to assign your role user to admin, we can use the like this. Okay, if we want to use the create the templates or CF, you can create by yourself. So I sign out, administrator. Okay, thank you everybody watching my video how to uh, create permission and role permission, and assign permission role to user to allow create or update. Yes, if we want to, sometimes if we don't so with the create, for example, we go to as, yes, for example, if the add rows, for example, add row, edit, add row, edit, add row, writer, row writer, and row. Yes, mean that when the user has row writer, for example, we want to refresh and this is the admin, so there is no writer. Or we can use the hash row. Yeah. So we go to the documentation again. For example, writer, and row hash row. Then we can use the like this, and hash row, for example, writer and minister. So we want to refresh. Okay, unexpected and unexpected. Okay, rows. Okay, has a new rows. For example, is uh, writers. Yeah, we use a pair character as minister. Yes, so we refresh, and this is the admin page. So we click and create box. For example, we log out and with the editor user. So the user so to list and edit only. Okay, everyone to can read the documentation. Just another search. Okay, thank you everybody. So right now I want to finish my lesson. Okay, thank you very much. And the last time, don't forget like, share, and comment on my video. Say goodbye.